Hey, I'm Ty from TyCakes and Cupcakes on Instagram and TyCakes on Facebook, where you get to see some of the sweet and salty treats I make that never make it to YouTube. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe as we learn. Today we are going to make frozen candy apples. I'm going to start by removing the stalks, and then we are going to wash and thoroughly dry the apples. At this point, I'm going to insert the lollipop sticks or skewers so that they are firmly positioned in the apples. Set the apple aside on a parchment paper or a baking mat. This step is quite easy. I'll just combine the sugar, the corn syrup, and water over a medium heat. And I'll not forget to leave the recipe in the description box below. Cook it until it thickens. When your mixture is nicely done, make sure you add a white color, because there is a color that you want to achieve, and it can only be achieved when you add a white color, then the color that you want to achieve. When your color is perfectly white, then you can add the color that you want to achieve. In this case, I'm adding in blue, and I just added a little because I just want it to be light blue, and then mix it nicely. Now on to the fun part. One by one, carefully dip the apples into the mixture, swirling to coat the whole surface, which will then look so beautiful. Now I'm going to slightly lift the apple candy like I will illustrate in this video for like 2 minutes max, I think, to just let everything drip before you place it on top of a parchment paper or an oiled surface or a mat like mine, a baking mat. Look at the glaze. Oh my god, it's really shiny, just as I imagined it to be. Because they dry up real quick, with this step is gonna be very effective for you. Just steam them up a bit depending on what you want to coat them with. If you don't want to coat them with anything, you can just leave them like that. For me, I wanted to coat them up with coconut flakes to give it a frozen effect down, and then crystal sugar just to give it another frozen effect from a different perspective. And this is exactly what I did. If you have a big bowl like this, you can just always put it there and then just like cover it with as much as coconut as possible. And then when it's like the way you want it to be, then you go to the next step, which will be to coat them with crystal sugar. Since I didn't have any crystal sugar, I just used the normal sugar and colored it. And this is what I did afterwards, just to have that crystal ice effect. And the coconut flakes were for like that snow effect. And I was happy with the result. And actually, I didn't realize it. It tasted really good. And it can even stay up to 4 days. Amazing, right? Yeah. So guys, this is what it looked like. And if you like the video, don't forget to share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Hit that notification bell so that when I upload, you'll get a notification. Bye.